CyberBrainer is an online training platform designed to help individuals and teams learn the latest technologies and become certified professionals, producing a comprehensive learning experience.
This one's. If you add up this amount, 50, 50, 100 here, 100 and 4,100 here, 4,100 plus 24,000 was deducted. Then 1,000. So it becomes 5,100 here automatically. You can see the calculation here also. Clear on this report? Yeah. Simple calculation showing up here how it became 50, 100. No, let's use some other invoice. Let's say this one. Now we'll create a different again. This time we'll increase. That will pay like 50 rupees extra or $50 extra to the subclass right now. Remember the balance is 50, 100, 5,100 here. We'll just say, price adjustment, like we're paying something extra here. Increase liability. We'll select the save and continue. And here also we'll do same thing. So we'll just say as it was 100. We'll make it 200. Okay. So from 50, we are going to 50 extra for this one. Now, if you look at the supplier, this adjustment is fine. Okay, but if you want to go back to the supplier and now see the total balances, because we change it to 200. See, the balance has also got changed to 5,300. Clear on this functionality also? It automatically update the balance of the supplier, the customer, as for the transaction. So you don't have to worry about it. Okay. And if you look at the accounting of your adjustment data. Okay. So let's see the accounting of this 201 that was adjustment. What if you increase the price? Okay. There's an error here. Let's see. Not sure what is the error here, but I can definitely see 2 leathery counts, 2 lines only and 2 leathery counts. So not sure what's wrong yet. Okay. But if you see, got debit to expense account and credit to accounts payable. So that is fine. It was 150, and we added 150 more, right, so that's why it became 200. That's what they say. No, the balance was 50 only. We said no, we have to pay 50 to the supplier. We have paid 200. So that's why. And if you see the adjustment invoice, it will show us the levels. Right. Yes. Correct. That is true. Now let me think of some other examples here for you. Yes. Let's see some, X examples also. What if you had the text, it's a safe. They will just calculate the text on the overall amount. So I'll just copy this invoice. And I'll just say some numbers here. And calculate default exception. Either you can and calculate text to the supplier, calculate self-assist text and text to the supplier. If you see this and you say default text code by company country, plant the whole person here. OK. Text amount, because we are seeing any text to the supplier yourself only. So if you say 500 here. And let's see what happens. And I'll change the amount to 5,000 here. Let's see what happens. It will throw an error. That enter one more line text. You need a moist line also. So line level we also need to add, because this we got blank here. So we'll say, input that. And this details will be already there and is applied, which is you just need to E in this details. OK. So for this one, this summit, let's see if it allows us now, says no. Enter one more line. So text ability on invoice with text amount. This text. I pretty much with text would not recoverable and allocate Monty coverable text. So we'll get rid of this. We'll get the same calculate surface as text. Now let's see the moment you do that. It will remove the error. And if you come here again, nobody, company country here. See, the system doesn't calculate what you put on the header. The system calculate what you put at the line level. So now it will calculate 4% or 5,000. Yeah. Okay.
Please do like, share and subscribe to our channel.